Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to use Anki. Anki is a powerful flashcard software that uses spaced repetition to improve long-term retention. It's widely used for studying various projects from languages to medical school content. Firstly, visit the official website of Anki and choose your operating system. You can do Windows, Mac, Linux, then download. Install the software and set up your account, then download the mobile app for on-the-go learning. Now, open Anki and click Create Deck. Name your deck, for example, Anatomy. Then click Add to create new cards. You can create basic front and back cards, simple questions and answer formats. Example, front, what is the mechanism of action of aspirin? Back, it inhibits COX-1 and COX-2, reducing prostaglandin and thromboxane production. And also you can do image acculation cards, ideal for diagrams and labeled images. For example, pass the labeled anatomy diagram, use the hide all guess one option to mask parts of the image, then each masked area becomes a separate flashcard. For studying tips, always do daily reviews, rate your confidence, and explore pre-made decks. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.